Hey everybody, so I picked up several items from Best Buy. It's all camera stuff. Went to 2 different Best Buys, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody. Alright, so I went to 2 different Best Buys, picked up some items for camera stuff, and the blue bag is actually, I bought one of these items from the first Best Buy. They just didn't have any more. And he informed me that there was, the other Superstition Best Buy had 3. And I went to that one and I grabbed all 3 of them. We're using the GoPro right now. But this is the mic we're using on this GoPro, the exact same mic, but the one on the GoPro I bought on Amazon. It was like $80 or $90 after tax and everything back then, and I've been using this mic for a little over 3 years now. I really like this mic, even compared to the other brands. I do have a couple other brands and they kind of suck. This mic works very well. I picked up another one. Amazon selling this mic right now for $156, which is insanity, because you can buy it from Rode for 79 bucks or so. But Best Buy had it for 59, so I grabbed it. And it's the full package, comes with the dead cat and everything. I picked this up to give it a try to see if it will work. You know, USB-C with a USB-C pass-through with a 3.5mm port. Wondering if this will work on the DJI Osmo Action as a pass-through and audio capability. Even though I have the actual outsourced mic adapter that the Osmo Action has, which, you know, they outsourced it to Nikoti or something like that. I don't remember what the box was. Where's the box? It's in here somewhere. I have the actual official DJI Osmo Action 3.5mm USB-C adapter. It's not made by DJI. For whatever reason, for the DJI Pocket, they made a dedicated external microphone adapter for the DJI Pocket, but they outsourced it to Sinova for whatever reason. But some of the camera cages, you can't plug this into the camera on the Osmo Action. So I figured, hey, maybe we'll try one of these. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. You know, it's not a big deal. You can use it on your phone. And it's a 3.5mm audio plus USB-C charge adapter. Supports up to 36 watts fast charging, which is fine. 36 watts is a little above 2.4 amps. It's a little bit faster than a standard 2.0 USB plug. And maybe I'll test this as well on the GoPro, because if this works on the GoPro Hero 6, Hero 7, and Hero 8, then it's a possibility you can spend $35 for an adapter instead of $79, and they're out of stock 90% of the time anyways. And then third item I picked up from the first store, which is this guy. It's a 52mm UV filter, multi-coated. It's an MC filter. I did open this one when I was in the store. They come in a really nice cage. And I have a couple other filters, but it's a Platinum series that Best Buy sells, 52mm. It's got the threads on the front, so you can thread another filter into it, or you can put a a cover on it if you wanted to. This is what it looks like. So you can actually thread it onto this one. You can probably hear it. See, it threads onto the filter I have on the camera. And then it's got threads on the inside so you can thread to it. I picked this one up because I need one for the Osmo Action. And it was easy to open that one because I've already opened it. But what I bought at the other Best Buy was just 3 of those. I got 3 more of them. See? They're all 52 millimeter. But there's one on this camera as well. I'll show you guys. See, there's one on the camera already. This one is just a UV 52 millimeter filter. These are UV 52 millimeter filters, but they also have the multi-coating. So they'll actually force sunlight to bounce off the lens so it doesn't blind the camera when you're using it outside. So these were $15 a piece, and I got 4 of them. 1 at one store and 3 at another. There's a little booklet in here as well. Which is nice that it gives you a storage case. You might be able to fit, if you slide this all the way to the corner, you might be able to fit 2 of them in here. Just take all of them out of the box. I do like the cases. It's nice that they come in cases. You know, when you buy these filters, you know, kits on like eBay and stuff, they don't come in cases. You just get 15 filters in a bag, or 10, you know, different filters in a bag. It's nice that they actually come in cases. So we grabbed 4. One is for the camera that I'm using right now. One is for the camera that I'm going to be dedicating to just my wife can use that one. This one's for Hero 7, and this one is for the Osmo Action. And if I need to pick up 2 or 3 more later on down the road, not a big deal. And this guy right here shouldn't be very big. The box is pretty light. Yep, it's actually pretty tiny. A little plastic. It's actually pretty neat. Hold it in the box. So USB-C, USB-C 3.5. We'll give it a try. If you guys are interested and you want me to make a video on it, let me know. See if it will work on a GoPro or the Osmo Action, you know, and go from there. This actually was a lot more expensive than the Osmo Action's Sonova 3.5 millimeter pass-through USB-C adapter. This was $25 on Amazon. It is legitimate DJI product. If you go to DJI's website, this is the exact thing you see on their website. DJI is selling it for like 39 bucks or something. So this adapter on Amazon, I'll leave a link below, is actually 25 bucks now. It's a legitimate DJI product. It's not a clone or anything like that. This one's 35, so it's a lot more expensive, but we'll give it a try. And then just to move the boxes out of the way. And well, I opened this one in the store just to make sure that it did come with the dead cat and everything. And it looks like the same packaging. The mic is in the dead cat, which is the mic we're using right now on the video, is this guy. I really like this guy. If I need to buy another one down the road, I will, definitely for 50 bucks. Do not eat this packet. It's not Skittles, it's not sprinkles. These can kill you. Just to keep moisture out of the packaging. I think the first one I bought came with 2 cables though. This one only has, looks like one cable. It's another registration card. This one looks like it just comes with the TRS to TRS cable. The other one, I believe it came with both a TRS and a TRS to TRS and a TRS to TRRS cable, which would be the third ring. These only have 2 rings. I do like these mounts. I do like that you can use a 3/8 thread, which is very nice. This guy just goes on here like so, and I usually use it with the dead cat anyways, because I like the dead cat, especially with all the traffic and everything around here and people flying down my street. But that's what it looks like. This is going to go on the Osmo Action. Just a quick little unboxing of everything. Do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. We'll test all of these items. This will more than likely be on the camera and you guys won't know. But I'll give a review. I usually just put these on. The one I have on the camera doesn't have the multi-coating because it was just a cheap one I bought off eBay. The only reason I use them is that way these lenses shatter and not the camera lens. So that's all I use them for. But you know, for $59 for this Rode mic, just go to Best Buy and pick it up. It's way better than Amazon. Amazon wants an arm and a leg for some reason. You know, $156 for a microphone that even Rode sold a max at $85 is ridiculous, you know. But these are all the items I picked up. I appreciate your guys' time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please go like, comment, and subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon if you want to see future updates and you know, more cameras, camera stuff, and stuff like that. Also have a video coming out where we went to the camera store, Tempe Camera. Picked up some items from there. We're gonna get better lighting as well, so that's an update to the channel. And go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, and my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace!